Looking for a high-paying side hustle you can start today with zero investment? Here are the 5 best online jobs for students right now. 1. Thumbnail designer. First, thumbnail designing. Millions of creators need eye-catching thumbnails daily. Using free tools like Canva, you can design visuals and charge creators $10 to $25 per design. 2. Email automation specialist. Second, email automation. Busy influencers and brands miss hundreds of business emails. You can set up professional autoresponders for them in 10 minutes and charge a monthly fee. 3. Short-form video editor. Third, short video editing. TikTok, Reels, and Shorts are booming. Creators pay heavily for editors who can add fast cuts and captions using simple apps like CapCut. 4. Affiliate marketer. Fourth, affiliate marketing. Build a free landing page on Google Sites, add affiliate links for hosting or digital products, and drive traffic from Pinterest to earn passive commissions. 5. Social media manager. Fifth, social media management. Many small businesses need help scheduling posts and managing daily content. You can manage their pages using Meta Business Suite for a monthly retainer. Which side hustle are you starting today? Comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more. See you next time.